Now, in this cubby hole, there is several things. There is the tool for the jacks. There's some grease, so in case you need it, so if something's rusted, you can always put some of this, and that helps it. There's the front wheel that goes on the hitch. I'm not going to show you how to do that. There's an extra hose here in case you have water at the campsite. You can plug the hose into this fresh water connector. If you plug the hose there and into the fresh water at the site, then you'll have fresh water without needing the pump. If you need to, if you don't have fresh water at the site, then you can go to the fill station. It's usually at the same place where you purge the tanks, and you open this up, put the freshwater hose, make sure it's the blue hose. Don't go to the red hose, that's not good. We don't want that in here. So blue hose into here, and then fill the tank, and you will, there's no danger if it gets overfilled. There's a little purge thing here. The water will just splurt out and you'll know it's full. And then put the cap back on, everything's good. Now, in here there's also other things. This is used for the hitch pin. I will show you how to use that in a second. If you go to a site that doesn't have the 3-prong plug, you can actually use this as a little adapter. When you don't use it, leave it here in the corner. But if you do use it, you would go here. This is the electric cable, and you would plug this into here, like so. And then that plugs into a normal electrical plug. When you're done with it, you put it back into the cubby hole. And the cubby hole is right here. Put it right here in the corner so we don't lose it. Okay, that's for that. Now, the front. So we have propane tanks here. There's 2 tanks. They're normally pretty full. And to open it, you close it this way, and you open it this way. Use this tank, and always make sure that this is in this position, and then the gas will work. It's a full tank, so beautiful. Normally, for a few days, for up to a week or 2 weeks, you'll only need the 1 tank. You won't need the 2 tanks. And if you're at an electrical site, it uses even less gas because the gas is used only when you're not connected. Okay, that's for the gas, propane. The hitch, make sure that you have a 2-inch ball, and that will fit nicely into here. You connect the chains on each side of your hitch. There's going to be a couple of holes, so you plug this, you connect this chain into the hole, and you connect the other chain, this one, into the other side, in the hole on the other side of your hitch. And then this is a 7-pin connector, and again, you plug that into your car or your truck, into the right connector. Now, this is very important, this little wire here. This is actually emergency brakes. If by any chance, or unlucky chance, the trailer becomes unhitched from your ball, this here is an emergency brake, and it will pull, and it will set the brakes into brake mode so that the trailer doesn't go crazy across the highway. So make sure that you connect this into one of the holes that you put the chain in. Connect this through the hole, and then this little bolt here you undo, and there's out comes a little hole. So this goes through the hole and then attaches through here, and then you just rescrew this so that it's protected and it will activate correctly. That's it for how to connect to your car. Now this thing here is a lock, and it prevents people from stealing the trailer. There's a key, which is this key here, and you would put the key in here like so, and have to jiggle it around a little bit. There we go, I got it, and then it comes out. And then when you park the trailer at the site or anywhere, make sure you put this back on. So you just put that on and then secure the key, and that's it. Now it's in place. Okay? That's it for that. When you're at the site, you can see here there's a level, and what you want to do is you want to make that a level at 0. If it's at 0, it's leveled, and the way to do that would be to put some planks under the wheels, and the planks are on the left side cubby. I'm going to show you that in a second. And so you would put the planks under the wheel and drive the trailer on top of the wheel. So here you can see that the level is towards this side, so therefore you would put the planks on this side, so that the trailer then becomes higher on this side and gets to 0. That's more comfortable when you want to sleep, to be at a level ground. There's also a level right here, and this level, if you can see it, also needs to be at 0. And the way to make that 0 is you go up or down with this hitch, with this this jack here. So if you go this way, you're going down. If you go this way, you're going up, and then adjust it until it gets to 0. And that's it.